1 year, 1 year, 1 year, you know?
It was kind of emotional.
Yeah.
Like even just thinking about our honeymoon and capturing all
The
of
cruise.
the cruise and
Yeah.
all the activities that everything would do, like, babe, give me a kiss. Oh my God.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
1 year no babes.
Oh my God, yo. I think that I was anticipating 1 year so much. It's like, I think that we were, don't it? Because we were really anticipating our anniversary, you know? And it's like it does creep up on me.
Fast.
Yeah.
You know, it's 364 days.
Yeah, 364 days, that's right, Jaden, because tomorrow is our anniversary, in which I think we will be getting this vlog
Yeah.
on our anniversary, which is the February 9, 2021.
Like saying not even
No, we just, yeah, so February 9, 2020. So we'll shoot a vlog here February 8, 2020. Alright? Yeah, guys, so tomorrow is our anniversary, you know?
1 year, guys.
1 year, 1 year.
Like 1 year ago,
Mm-hmm.
this exact time, I think I was so like nervous.
Mm-hmm.
I was nervous, like thinking about the plans and everything, and just wanting everything to go right. You know, I love planning, and I want to figure exactly how we plan it.
A whole heap of work I put into the wedding, you know?
We did.
Was a good vibe. You see me? I say,
You
so
know,
like,
that's true.
to the day before the wedding, we had the final rehearsal, and it was just a madness, you know?
It's true, and I think that looking back at it now, like in the moment, it was good and everything, but it was kind of stressful. It was kind of stressful, but looking back at it now, I don't know. It's just good memories and good vibes. Like
Real talk. I want to tell you guys, like, we started the channel March, which is like just after our honeymoon. So we started capturing honeymoon footage in anticipation of starting the vlog, right? And then COVID come, and basically it make we have a little more time to actually invest in the channel, you know. So we start and with the right yes or no, you know. So 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, you know.
it was kind of emotional.
Yeah.
Like even just thinking about our honeymoon and capturing all
The
of
cruise. Let's see what they said here on this. Happy honeymoon, eh?
Happy honeymoon.
Wow. Let me see your ring. Ah, nice.
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 Cruise and all the activities that everything would do, like, babe, give me a kiss. Oh my God. You see, at our reception, normally Jamaicans have a little thing where them do. Them just love the kissing scenes. Them always are not
Glass, jeez. Every minute they want knock glass.
You know, when them not glass, them tired. To them say, you know what, we're gonna kiss too much. No more.
Yo, them pressure we for the wedding, man, tell them. The guys, you know, a long time we are talking about the wedding videos, guys. Coming, right? I think probably a right time now to push it out, you know.
Push it out?
Like soon. Guys, soon. Very, very soon. You can look out for the wedding videos, guys. You know, it will be a 2-part thing. Alright? Jaden, what's up?
This don't look like a report.
It is. Jaden got his report card today, and he did excellent.
He did great.
Him do good, right? So him have a over 90 average.
Yeah.
Me not average it off, you know, but basically every subject can get 90 or more. You know what I mean? So, come here.
Or hard work paid off.
Yeah. All right.
So we work funny with the people.
Yeah, man.
We work funny, man.
Guys, I want to let you know, the test them, the exam section, like, the test them what them get. And when me there high school, me get some of them topic there. Like, seriously. You know? You can't, it's gonna shift a little bit. You want to come somewhere like this, though? You know, your head so mad. Jeez. Step back, sit back. Yeah, so, guys, like, enough of the the subject area them where them get, and when me there high school, me learn some of them things there. You know what I mean? So Jaden did well, and we push him hard. I only for studies, we put him through. So Jaden, you feel pleased? You feel pleased with the report, considering the hard work you put in?
But this don't look like a report. My basic school report look.
Was a booklet, don't?
No, it wasn't a booklet.
What was it?
It was same like this, but of words, just straight words.
Okay, alright. So here what happened. You see, in basic school, they don't grade you. They more assess you, like. But in primary school now, everything is recorded. So them record. You see, because you do your work and you get them right, you get them wrong. So them tabulate everything and give you a percentage. So based on that, you see, you get 98% for maths, right? The integrated studies. Language arts, you have 90, you have reading comprehension, you get 90. You understand? So them, it's like that.
Or the reading comprehension. We have to make sure that him understand, exactly how it will be done, because that's something too that affects exams, not if you don't know the information, but if you don't know the format in which you're getting it, can take you by surprise and Yeah. Alright, so Jay, you can go back to class now. Jay, they're doing online class, by the way, guys. Yes.
His class.
Wait. Wait.
After school.
Yeah.
What is this right here, so?
Reading level?
Yes.
Reading level M. You look down here, so what M mean? What?
Mastery.
Mastery, correct. So mastery. So from so you're performing at the optimum level with the reading, and you see them give you a comment 10A. What 10A say? Look, 10A right here. So what 10A say?
10A. Wait. Above grade level.
What above grade level?
Reading.
Reading. Say it again.
Reading. Reading A above grade level.
Good. So you're performing above your standard, which is very, very good, Jaden. And Alright, go on to class now. Go on.
That was very exciting, because even I think like last week I was like saying to Adrian, no man, we still not get the report yet. Yeah. Because I wanted to see exactly, the outcome. When you prepare, you need to
know what.
You need to know the result of your preparation.
True.
So people, enough things going on here. Like just remembering our wedding and everything. I think it was our precious moment. I think we planned this so much. We had our idea, we had everything that we wanted, and we did put in our work. But I think at the end of the day, we had a beautiful wedding. And just looking back, I think it was super successful. Yeah, super successful. Super. And you know what? well, this came after. This will come through wedding. But you see,
the Delpratt from the shirt can barely fit you now.
Yeah, that's true. And when you get it, just in case, like I got it with stretch, so that it will be able to still fit. Maybe but it's good.
Guys, by the way, all the gifts, right? They've been packaged now. They've been put together now and them ship off, right? So my old man, my father, him ship them off now. So basically, I say everything that were sent before already, him capture them in the barrels. Them send them off.
Everything that was sent. Before Monday. Yeah. So all that we have on the way. Yeah. And stuff. So thank you guys.
Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it. And this for us, all the effort that you guys, go through to ensure we get this stuff is testimony. It's testimony to, I guess, gratitude. So we owe you guys, and it's like,
we always appreciate the support. We always appreciate you guys watching our videos. So thank you guys for that.
Yeah, guys.
So our Delpratt family anniversary is coming up, guys.
Yeah.
When we started the Delpratt family
channel.
So the channel anniversary is coming up. The Delpratt family anniversary is today.
Right.
But the channel anniversary is going to be early March.
Yes.
Right.
And we're thinking about doing a giveaway. Right. So you guys can stay tuned for that. Alright, we'll be doing a giveaway for that. And by the way, guys, the link to the baby registry is in the description still. So if you haven't gotten anything before, you can still get something from the registry link in the description.
You can still participate if you so wish.
Because what happened was we wanted to close it off, but subscriber said that there are some persons that might haven't gotten around to, you know, up to the time, because we wanted to close it off like end of January.
Yeah, and even our family and friends are like, keep it up a bit, I want to, little later down, give me a week, I need to participate, whatever. So yeah, it's still up. So if you want to participate, guys, go over, go in the description, click the link.
Yep. Yeah, guys, so moving forward, everything will be sent to our mailbox in Florida, guys, so you can definitely select the link in the description for that. Alright, guys? By the way, how many weeks along are you? Yeah, how much weeks now?
32 weeks.
32 weeks. And how much weeks you put again? 40 weeks?
40.
So basically 2 months left. Around 2 months left. So we're up on the final stretch now and thing, and Cass really restless with the preparation and things. So actually Friday she went out and she got some stuff. Alright, she actually did a shopping video. The shopping video will be on her channel, Cassie Does Live. So guys, link will be in the description for Cassie Does Live. So if you want to see the shopping that she did for the baby, alright, for the remaining like some items that we didn't put on the registry, she got those, and link will be in the description for that, guys. Right, so yeah man, never get the container right now. This way. Alright. Guys, so see it here.
Yeah, so we have the typical bar setting. I think I really wanted a white one, but I think I wanted an all white one, but it wasn't, I couldn't find one. And this was reasonable price, so I went with it. So yeah, preparing for baby. So we've been busy preparing, and we got some stuff. Definitely gonna do what's in my hospital bag video. Yeah. So you guys can look out for that.
And Cassie Does Live. So all those kind of videos will be on Cassie Does Live.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we're definitely gonna be showing you guys how we are gonna prepare for our baby.
Oh yeah, obviously.
So I got my going home outfit in this bag. Going home outfit is so cute, guys. Like, I don't know if I'm giving it away, but it's so cute. It's so cute.
Yeah, nice one. Nice.
And look how small it is. Like, it's so small. Like, can you believe his bum would be in this? Like, it's just crazy.
Yeah.
But and look at these socks though. Like really, like somebody's foot can fit in this. Like seriously. But this is going home outfit, I think, or we're gonna use like a daddy's shirt or something. But I don't know. We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah.
We're gonna figure it out. So yeah, we got all that stuff. We got some hats. We got some mittens, just in case. Like I don't know. Mittens are not a necessity for me, but I got 3. This is like the only one that I got, because I don't know if mittens are a necessity for me. Probably if he likes to put his hand in his mouth, or I see that he likes to scratch himself, then I'll, rely a little bit more on it. But yeah, so we got a lot of stuff, guys. So can't wait to show you what I got. But I also wanted to share like a documentary of what it is like to prepare for baby in Jamaica. Sometimes we see a lot of videos on YouTube and we see people preparing for baby overseas, but we don't get the Jamaican comparison. So yeah, I'll be sharing that with y'all.
Alright. Yeah guys, so as I say, our anniversary, you are seeing this video on our anniversary, right? But it's actually done the day before, so what you have in store for me? What kind of surprise you have for me, if any?
Surprise.
You see guys, like you have got me buying. But it doesn't really matter, you know what I mean? I got you, that's enough. You know what I say? And see, she well pregnant and one thing, we're not stressed her,
Oh boy, can I tell you, baby has been enjoying his weekend. Like, I don't know if you guys can see what's happening right here. We don't know if they can see the movement, but for the last 2 days he's really happy. And he's really moving and kicking and stirring and all that stuff. So I think he's anticipating the anniversary as well, just like we are. So
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So you have a lot of things happening.
Yeah, guys. So I guess this wraps up this video. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the Delpratt family if you haven't subscribed as yet, and remember link in the description for Cassie Does Life.
Yes.
All right. So as I said, the shopping haul will be on our channel, right? And yeah, guys. So thank you very much. Peace out. Remember to hit the like button, guys. Very, very important.
Hit the subscription button.
Yes.
Hit the notification bell and ensure the setting is on all, alright? So you know every time we post a video. Thank you guys for watching.
Yes. Peace out, guys.
Bye, D Squad.
Bye bye. Out.